places, cafe, bank, movie theater, factory, police station, police office, library, dentist, hair salon, barber shop, flower shop, drugstore, pharmacy, hospital, clinic, office, office building, animal hospital, pet hospital, school, courthouse, bakery, post office, restaurant, convenience store, supermarket, grocery store, airport, farm, fire station, department store. Where are you going? I'm going to the department store.